I like my own variation of the song. It was quite cool and catchy. It was funny. Well, actually, it wasn't really... Oh, Jesus! It wasn't really a variation. It was more of a... What could I say as a response? Oh, Jesus! This is Holy Mother of the Jesus! Oh, my God. Woohoo! And that is how it's done. Now, how the fuck do I get back? That's a good question. Oh, hello. You weren't there before. But you are now. It's funny. I want to jump off. Stupid disappearing swing shot thing. That was mean. That was mean. Maxed out, eh? What can I get? If I wanted to, I can get that and that together. I'm never going to use them. So, no, I'm saving up for a cool weapon. Cool weapon. Ow. I'm saving up for cool. That's what I'm saving up for.
How do you work this camera, whatchamacallit?
I don't know.
That's a bummer. Ouch! Hey, Ratchet, what's up?
Hi.
Hi, Skid. Can we talk to Sasha?
Sasha and Quark are meeting with the president, man. They left me in charge of the ship.
What? I see. Well, is Al there?
He's out to lunch.
Helga?
In the sauna.
Quark's monkey, perhaps.
Just tell Sasha that Clank and I are checking out a lead on the Obani moons.
The Obani moons? Sounds like you guys could use some
No.
backup. I'll grab my gear and meet you there.
No. Great.
Obani Gemini. Asadai. I've been playing Wipeout. It's awesome. Asadai. It's a cool game. Asadai. Oh, I know the skill point in this level. The skill point in this level is uber cool, but insanely hard to do. I absolutely hate the skill point. I'm not kidding. There is nothing I hate more than the skill point. Never going to use that again, so refractor, there you go. There you go. Yeah, I hate this area. I absolutely hate it. It's a horrible area. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I'm being an idiot. This reminds me of Ratchet and Clank 1. Just a bit. Not in an, oh, you ripped them off way. Just in an, oh, this is a bit similar, but it's still cool way. Oh, there it is. I was going to say, where the hell is it? But, yeah, there it is. That makes sense. Ish. Oh, jeez. Now, isn't there a thing around here? Yes, there is. Holy Mother of Jesus. Now, where's the original starting one to open it? I don't know. Find it yourself. But I can't find it myself. Well, I'll try. I am trying. We'll try harder. I'm trying harder. Oh, really, where is it? I know you need it to open it. There it is! Oh, this is going to be fun. Why is it going to be fun? Because I don't know where the other bit is now. I no longer remember where it is, where I need to go. This is fairly pathetic. Wow, I didn't die, that's amazing. Asadai. You're not helping me, game. I know you're not supposed to exactly, but you're is that it? Oh, poops. That isn't it, is it? I thought that was it. I thought I had stumbled upon it by mistake. And I was really feeling proud about myself. Go, Holy Mother of Jesus. I can't stop quoting that for some reason. baby, because it's awesome! Yes! No, it's not, is it? It's not right. Oh, poop! Where the hell is it I need to go? Ow, I know it hurts. Just endure the pain. Can you feel the burn? I'm considering coming back here later to find it because I don't like it whatsoever. What's down here? I didn't really check. Just a small little shortcut, which is pain in my ass. How long does it last for? It lasts for a good amount of time. It does last for a good amount of time, which means it's relatively far away. Obviously. Thanks, game. Oh! Where the fuck is it? I'm gonna go around in the circle and I'm gonna find it. You slippery eel. Wait a minute, that can't be it. Right, so it's not that way, it's the other direction, it's the right, it's left and wait, no, it can't be. What? Oh, what? Where the fuck is it? And I failed, but I don't care. I couldn't care less. I give up. I'll find it some other fucking time.